Please let things go right tomorrow on this trip. Please let my husband look at me like he used to. Please, Lord, let me show him I can still be adventurous and fun. Please, help me keep this marriage together.
Honey, don't let go of me!
If we make it through this, I'm done with you. It's over.
Honey, please, don't let go of me. Please, don't let go. We can make it.
What was supposed to be the vacation of their lifetime, a time of healing, a time to be together and work on their marriage, turned into a life and death situation neither Sharon nor her husband of 33 years saw coming. A white-knuckle struggle 5,332 miles away, surrounded by beauty, yet terror, as they were both left at the mercy of the mighty Zambezi River, vulnerable to the elements like man-eating crocodiles and aggressive hippos the size of tanks surrounding them at every turn. But little did they know, this near-tragic accident half a world away would lead to one of the greatest breakthroughs in weight loss history for men and women over the age of 40 everywhere, and how this once-in-a-lifetime trip led to a once-in-a-lifetime discovery that helped Sharon lose 17 pounds instantly, and later a total of 97 pounds, going from this to this, all without strenuous exercise or dieting, while erasing the crushing anxiety and depression from being in an abusive relationship and saying hello to abundant energy, vitality, and the confidence to live again.
Whatever is in this 10-second ritual, it's amazing. Not only has my belly disappeared, but I've lost 18 pounds in only 3 weeks.
Everyone has had a time or two when they've let their weight go. And with my busy schedule as a healthcare professional, some days can be downright chaotic. So something quick and easy was perfect for me.
Well, for me, it really wasn't so much about the pounds I lost or even the 5 inches off my waist, although that's pretty nice. The best part was getting my doctor off my back. Because let's face it, my vital signs have never looked better. And that right there makes me a very happy man.
My mood has improved, my depression is gone, and I have so much energy. I even took up a few extra hobbies. It just feels great to feel like my younger self again.
And get this, in 2 weeks, I lost 21 pounds. It was a life changer for me.
And all it takes is 10 seconds each morning before breakfast to experience this rapid weight loss. Because it seems the more you follow this 10-second tip, the faster you'll get ahead of any weight loss plateau, helping you lose more weight as time goes on, and without slowing down. You see, if belly fat and love handles are a problem for you, this breakthrough, it seems, attacks this type of fat buildup at the source. Exactly like peeling away an onion. This powerful 10-second trick will remove months to years of layered, trapped fat around your core until what's revealed is the flat stomach you want and body you desire. According to Time magazine, there's a certain silent killer that effectively blocks your metabolism from doing its job by rerouting the food you eat, even if it's the healthiest, organic, non-GMO food you can find, to be shuttled towards your stomach and gobbled up by starving fat cells. Like a bottomless pit, this silent killer instructs these fat cells to consume the food you eat, even if it's healthy, just to grow in size, exactly like starving cancer cells. We'll get to more of that in just a minute, because this silent killer has also been linked to some of the most major diseases that have plagued our loved ones, like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and even cancer. Let me put it bluntly. This silent killer is worse than eating McDonald's 7 days per week. It's worse than smoking a pack of cigarettes every day. And it's worse than sitting at a desk for 10 plus hours. Basically, if left unchecked, this silent killer can leave a path of destruction, making it harder for you to lose the heavy, suffocating, deadly fat around your midsection while your metabolism slows to a screeching halt. And no matter how hard you exercise or watch what you eat, this silent killer will just smile back at you as your body continues to pack on fat for no apparent reason. However, When you follow this breakthrough tip each morning before starting your day, belly fat can melt away like butter in a hot pan. In fact, the longer you've struggled with your weight, the faster you can experience a slimmer belly because your metabolism will make up for lost time. Many who've sworn by this fat trimming secret report losing between 7 and 17 pounds in the first few weeks, plus up to 3 inches around their waists. You see, as you get older, belly fat buildup is a symptom of something much larger happening inside of you. That's why it's not always your diet or lack of activity that causes it. No, not even your genetics most of the time. After 40, your body is more sensitive to certain stressors which accelerates this buildup, and it all can be traced back to this silent killer causing destruction from the inside out. However, stopping this is now possible thanks to this breakthrough weight loss discovery 5,332 miles away. I'm going to show you what it is in this short video because it has nothing to do with detox teas, shakes, smoothies, exercise, fasting, or keto. This is so much easier than anything weight loss scientists have seen, and why pharmaceutical companies are scrambling to learn more, then patent it themselves, making it harder for good people like you to get the help you need and want. That's why this is very important. I don't know how much longer we can talk about all this, so make sure you pay attention. In just a minute, I'll give you a simple test you can perform on yourself to see if this silent killer is telling your metabolism to store fat instead of burn fat. Plus, the simple trick you can use in the morning that flushes fat from your trouble spots like water being squeezed from a balloon. Now, if belly fat isn't your main problem, but more so your butt, hips, thighs, or arms, this African fat loss secret discovered on the banks of the Zambezi River could release this problem area fat until you reach your ideal shape and weight. In fact, the power of this African secret runs so deep, it could even help calm high blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, ease pain, and lower blood sugar, virtually erasing any bad memories of feeling old, tired, and weary. Most people have no idea how far-reaching this silent killer could bully its way into your life and make you feel so sick, moody, fatigued, and agitated. These are just some of the many signs you need to pay attention to. However, after you take this short little test, don't worry, it takes seconds, you'll finally understand why it's been so hard to lose weight and keep it off for good. And if that's the case, don't get down on yourself, because if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you the simple solution that reverses all of this, while blocking any more deadly fat storage around your midsection regardless of your age or situation. In fact, this 10-second morning tip is so powerful, your metabolism will have no choice but to use this stubborn fat for fuel right away, much faster than any detox, keto diet, or fasting ritual. You won't starve, you won't have to eat weird foods, and you won't have to track anything. Now, if you're still somewhat skeptical, I'm also going to reveal the #1 worst food this silent killer loves to feed on that accelerates belly fat buildup and your chance of developing diabetes and hypertension, if you haven't done so already. And if that's the case, then you really need to pay attention. This is something that's never been published before, and we could get in trouble for it. But we're willing to risk it all if it can help you burn fat, get healthy, and feel the best you can. You see, your body is an amazing machine. Give it what it needs, and usually it'll take care of the rest. And that's why this African lean belly secret holds so much promise and has sent shockwaves through the medical community for its belly flattening effects and ability to rewind time on the youth and vitality of your healthy body. Best part, it has nothing to do with following a specific diet or workout program, because if those worked, you wouldn't be here, and this wouldn't have helped over 27,779 people so far. So keep watching, because you'll be shocked to learn the truth about certain exercises, even yoga, and how they could make this belly fat pileup even worse. This is the real truth that most doctors, exercise specialists, and nutritionists don't know, and why once your hormones are back in balance, how incredibly fast your stomach will shrink down if you're a man or a woman or over the age of 40. You'll be taken back by the quick turnaround in your health and energy levels so much, you'll probably wish you knew this a lot sooner. but don't take my word for it. I promise you'll wake up and feel this change happening inside of you right away, just like Becky, who lost 64 pounds in 9 weeks.